India has a multi-party system with a predominance of small regional parties that wish to contest local, state or national elections are required to be registered by the Election Commission of India. The Indian political parties are categorized into two main types: national level parties and state level parties. National parties participate in different elections all over India. State parties or regional parties participate in different election but only within वन स्टेट. तो बच्चों, जो नेशनल पार्टी होती है वो भारत के किसी भी भाग में चुनाव लड़ सकते हैं. जो स्टेट पार्टी होती है, रीजनल पार्टीज होती है, तो वो अपने स्टेट में ही वो लोग इलेक्शन लड़ते हैं. सम पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैव देयर ओरिजिन even before India's independence. For example, Indian National Congress, Forward Bloc, अकाली दल, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस एट्सेट्रा. इसमें से कांग्रेस पार्टी हम सभी जानते हैं बच्चों, ये हमारे देश में स्वतंत्रता के पहले की पार्टी है. इसके अलावा अकाली दल और नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस. सम ऑफ दीज पार्टीज वर ईदर सोशल और पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिफोर द इंडिपेंडेंस India, and they had become political parties after its independence. But many of the present parties were established after India's independence. Members who split from larger parties established some other parties. For example, in 1960s, Lok Dal was established by people who split from the Indian National Congress. Communist Party of India, Marxist, was established after the split in Communist Party of India. In Indian politics, there are political parties in which one person pulls all the strings. This feature existed even before India's independence. When Mahatma Gandhi was the father figure of Indian National Congress until his death in 1948, even though he resigned from the Congress in 1933. Indira Gandhi for some period had complete control over her party. Her party was also named Congress. Many of the large national parties have a pre-election agreement with smaller parties on joint candidates in some constituencies. This candidate belongs to one of the parties and the other party supports this candidate. This is done to prevent the possibility of the causing the splitting of votes of their wing and so losing the constituency to the rival wing. A unique feature of Indian politics is the high number of film actors who join political parties. The Indian cinema produces films in different languages. The largest and the most popular film industry is the Hindi language film industry. Many national parties recruit Hindi movie actor in their parties, while many states parties with state chauvinism attract local film industry actors to join their parties. These actors appear alongside with the party of politicians to attract the mob towards the political gatherings. They even participate as candidates in election. 7 parties are recognized as national parties. They are listed by name together with acronyms and year of formation. You can see this in this picture. Coalition government. Coalition government is formed when two or more political parties unite to form a majority bloc in parliament. This usually happens when a single party fails to form its own government. This happened in India in the 6th general election held in 1977 in the NDA. Students, कोलिशन पार्टी गवर्नमेंट तब बनती है जब कोई भी एक पार्टी को स्पष्ट बहुमत नहीं मिलता है. तो जब स्पष्ट बहुमत नहीं मिलता तो ऐसी कंडीशन में कई पार्टीज आपस में मिलकर कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट को फॉर्म करते हैं और वही हमारे देश का शासन चलाती है. गवर्नमेंट more than 13 parties formed a coalition cabinet. The actual reason for this was that no single party on its own had a majority in the parliament. The present UPA government is also a coalition government of more than 10 parties. Sometimes a coalition government is also created in times of national difficulties or crisis, such as a war or a major political or economical crisis. This an all-party coalition is called a national unity government or a grand coalition. Countries that often have a coalition cabinet include Germany, Italy, Turkey, Israel and India. So students, read this chapter and try to fill exercise yourself. Okay. Till then, thank you everyone.